solve the find the transformed equation of this equation. Transformed equation of this one. Given condition is roots are diminished by 3. Minus means diminished, decreased by 3. Diminished by 3. So, required equation is f of x plus 3 equal to 0. Diminished by 3. Minus means diminished by 3. So transformed equation is f of x plus 3 equal to 0. So there are two methods. Number 1, replace this x with x plus 3. We get the answer. Second method, by using the synthetic division, x square x power 5 quotient 1, x power 4 quotient minus 4. There is no x cube quotient 0, x square quotient 3, x quotient minus 4 plus 6. When we calculate, listen carefully, when we calculate f of x plus 3, take the same symbol. When we calculate function of x plus 3, we take the same symbol 3. By using this 3, we apply synthetic division 5 times. The highest power is 5. So we apply the synthetic division 5 times. There is 4 times. There is 3 times. So given x power 5. So we apply the synthetic division. By using this 3, we apply the 5 times. First, 0, 1. 1 into 3. Adding these 2. Minus 1. Minus 3. Adding these 2. Minus 3. Minus 3 into 3. Minus 9, minus 6, minus 18, minus 22. Multiply these two. Minus 66 plus 60 plus 60. 6 minus 66 minus 60. Next, second time, 3, 0, 1. 1 into 3. Adding these 2. 2 into 3, 6. Plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 13. Minus 13. Next, third time. 3, 0, 1. 1 into 3. 5. 5 into 3. 15. 18. 18 into 3. 54. 57. Next, fourth time, 0, 1, 1 into 3, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 into 3, 24, plus 42, fifth time, 0, 1 into 3, 3, plus 11. So we apply synthetic division with this 3 5 times. Listen carefully. This is coefficient of x power 5. This is x power 4 coefficient, x cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient, constant. So, f of x plus 3 equal to x power 5 plus 11 x power 4 plus 42 x cube plus 57 x square minus 13x and constant is minus 60. This is the transformed equation and also required equation. Given equation is this one. Given condition is roots of this equation are decreased by 3. Decreased by 3. So required equation is f of x plus 3 equal to 0. First method, replace this x with x plus 3. We get this answer. By using the synthetic division, how to find f of x plus 3? Apply the synthetic division 5 times. Why 5 times? Highest power is the 5, degrees 5. So we apply the synthetic division 5 times. We get these reminders. This is x power 5 coefficient, x power 4 coefficient, x cube, x square, x and constant. So transformed equation is x power 5, 11x power 4 plus 42x cube plus 57x square minus 13x minus 60 equal to 0. Is this one. Also given roots of this equation are diminished or decreased. Minus means diminished or decreased by 3. So transformed equation or required equation is x plus 3 f of x plus 3 equal to 0. By synthetic division 1, there is no x power 4, x cube coefficient 4, x square coefficient minus 1, x coefficient 0 plus 11. When we calculate, remember this point, when we calculate f of x plus 3, f of x plus 3, take the same symbol. That is the important point. So 3, 0, 1, 1 into 3, plus 3, 3 into 3, 9, 13, 13 into 3, 39, plus 38, 38 into 3, plus 38 into 3, 114. Adding these two, 114. 114 into 3, 342. Adding these two, 353. This is the constant value. Second time with 3, 0, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 31. 31 into 3, 93. 11. 131. 131 into 3, 393. 393. 7, 10, 5. 507. 507. Next, third time, 3, 0, 1. 1 into 3, 3, plus 9. 9 into 3, 27. Adding these two, 58, plus 174. Adding these two, 5, 10, 3, 305. Next, 0, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 12. 12 into 3, 36. That equal to 94. 94. Last time, 0, 1. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 15. 1, 5. So this is constant. X coefficient, x square coefficient, x cube coefficient, x power 4 coefficient, x power 5 coefficient. Therefore, f of x plus 3 equal to x power 5 plus 15 x power 4 plus 94 x cube plus 305 x square 507 x plus 353 equal to 0.